Recently, the U.S. Embassy in the Philippines announced about the increase for medical examination fees at St. Luke's Medical Center Extension Clinic. All immigrants visa applicants, regardless of age, are required and responsible to schedule a medical exam with SLMC Extension Clinic 2 weeks before your visa interview. Effective August 19 this year, the new examination fees will increase to 28,650 pesos for adults, which is 15 years old and above, while 13,910 pesos for children 14 years old and below. This increase is based on the new requirements from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.